We'll guide you through how to turn off safe mode without the power button. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, for whatever reason, your phone is in safe mode, and we're going to guide you through some different ways you can do this in case one of them doesn't work for you. So for the first way, you can go and drag down, like so. Now, you may and should have got a notification saying safe mode is on. You can go and tap here to go and turn off safe mode. So you can go and tap on it, and you'll get a pop-up saying your phone will restart and your apps will be available again. So press turn off and you can do it that way. Alternatively, you can swipe up, find settings, you may need to go and search at the top. Then you want to go and scroll down and go and find accessibility. As you can see, there it is. And then you want to go and press interaction and dexterity, press the switch on assistant menu and press allow. And then you'll go and get this icon appear. Go and tap on it and you can press the arrow to the right until you go and find power off menu. You can press restart and restart again. Now, when your device comes on, you'll no longer go and be in safe mode.